If investing is what you are looking into this year, then this video is for you. We are talking about the best investing strategy for beginners. It is simple, safe, and actually work over time. No get rich quickly nonsense you see online. And don't worry, you don't even need millions to start. With $20 or 10,000 naira, you can build a wealth if you use the right strategy. Let's jump in without wasting time. And number one on the list will be start with your goal. Before you invest a single naira or dollar, ask yourself, what am I investing for? Are you trying to build wealth slowly, or it is for retirement plan, or saving for a house, maybe school fees? Your goal determine your strategy. But for beginners, the goal is usually simple: to grow money safely over the time, and that is exactly what this strategy is all about. Number two, the core strategy, index fund investing. This is the best beginner friendly strategy, that is investing in low cost index fund. Now, what is index fund? It's a basket of stock like S&P 500, which hold 500 of the biggest company in USA. Instead of betting on one company, you can own a smaller piece of many, e.g. Apple, Google, Amazon. Do you want to know why this is good? 1. It is passive. You buy it, then let it go. 2. It is less risk. 3. It has low fees. 4. It is historical return 7 to 10% per year. Number 3. Where to buy them from? You don't need a financial degree to start. Whether you are in US, Nigeria, or UK, there are apps that make investing very simple with just your phone. Here are a few examples depending on your location. United States, you can use Fidelity. Nigeria, you can use Bamboo. UK, you can use Free Trade. You can start with as little as $10 or 5,000 naira depending on the platform. Number 4, use dollar cost averaging. Now, here is how to do it safely, especially as a beginner. Invest the same amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. This is called dollar cost averaging. Let's say you invest $50 or 10,000 naira every month. Sometimes you buy the market in high, sometimes in low, but over the time, it average out. This method protects you from the risk of investing everything at the wrong time. Plus, it builds discipline and consistency, which are more powerful than timing the market. Number 5, how long to stay invested? Now, the most important part is the market will go up and it will come down, and that is normal. But don't panic. Panic selling is how people lose money. The key to this strategy is to stay in and let your money grow. If you look at history, the stock market has always gone up a long time, even after crashes. So don't check your account every day. Don't follow hype. Just invest consistently and leave it alone. Number 6, build a safety net first. Before you go all in into investing, make sure your basics are covered. For example, do you have emergency saving? Are your debt under control? Can you survive 3 to 6 months without income? Investing is powerful, but it does not replace financial stability. Start small, but don't invest money you can't afford to live alone. And last on my list will be what to avoid as a beginner. Let's quickly cover 3 things to avoid. 1. Trying to time the market. You will probably guess wrong. 2. Following hype. If it is trending on social media, it's probably too late. 3. Putting all your money at once, even if it sounds guaranteed. There you go, the best strategy for beginner. Let's quickly go through the list again. 1. Invest in index fund. 2. Use dollar costing average. 3. Stay invested for long time. 4. Avoid hype. Instead, build real wealth. Let me know in the comment section. Are you already investing or you just want to start? I want to know and help however I can. If this video gave you clarity, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification. I post weekly content on money, investing, and financial freedom. I remain yours faithfully, Financial Talk with Bola. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.